Good afternoon, folks. I'm getting ready to cook my birthday dinner. And I have my onions. I have my onions simmering right now. Simmering. I got my onions simmering. I got my ground beef. And I got my garlic bread. So when I'm finished, I'll let you see the finished product. Yeah, I'm just throwing something together. For me and my grandson, today is my birthday, and I'm just cooking a little meal for us. So we all can have something to snack on this evening. It's just a little family get together. Not nothing big, but yeah, I'm just doing this. Plus, I'm getting ready to start a cooking podcast, so stay tuned, folks. I'm gonna be doing my thing. I'm gonna definitely be doing my thing. Yes, I've been cooking for years, but I'm gonna be doing my thing. Yeah. Turn this down a little bit. Yeah, I got the onions, ground beef, garlic bread. Yeah, I'm doing it up pretty good, but that's okay. We're taking our time. I'll show y'all the finished product. When I finish, I'll show you the finished product. Stay tuned. So stay aware. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. So stay tuned. The water's boiling. Everything's looking good. Hey. I have it all together in a few minutes. Everything is cooking. Yeah, that is rolling. Onions simmering. The water boiling for new. Then turn these onions off. Now, turn it down real low. Put a low fire on it. Low fire. Okay. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to put those noodles in there. Now this is some pretty good sauce. Ragu. Yeah, this is good stuff. I'm going to pop some of this in here. Put this right on in. Sure. Finish that. Stir that up. Stir that right on in with the rest of the stuff. Oh yeah. That's going to be nice. That's going to be real nice. So I usually do it separately, but this time I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it all together. That way it'll be more if I do it that way. That way everybody can get a little taste of it. So yeah, pour a little bit more of this in there. Yeah, it's all coming together. Keep your eyes open and your ears and your ears listening. Yeah, y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a cooking podcast soon. And I want everybody to be alert. If you need some recipes, let me know. I'll be more than glad to show you. I'm pretty much experienced in all of this. So now this goes right in here. So that's it. It goes right in. That's it. Now we just mix all this together. we got the sauce rolling. We got that simmer. Mix it all together.
What you see here with SB8, it's a gutting of
Yeah.
the way. Now,
That's looking real good. So far. So we gotta add a little bit of sugar to this. Take that twang out of it. Add a little bit of sugar to it. Yeah, still got that bite. Yeah, it's still got that bite. That sugar you can use even though you're not supposed to use the sugar, period. But, hey, you only got one life. Enjoy it. Sweet, you know, give it a little sweet taste to it. This is pretty good, yeah. Oh, yeah. 1973 was a landmark decision of the United States Supreme Court in which the court. See, a lot of times, if you don't, some people they like to measure, but I cook by hand. I cook by feel. I can feel what I'm cooking. I don't need no measuring cups and all that. But I mean, once I do my cooking show, I'll use measuring cups for the audience.
That's what happened there. That Roe v. Wade has been the thing that they've been trying to gut along with the Voting Rights Act. We talk about the systematic taking away of our rights. Roe v. Wade has been the issue on the table. And typically, we have the protections.
Let that simmer.
From the Supreme Court on that.
What I'm going to do now,
We're not discussing it.
I'm going to put the noodles in.
319-7258. I have Isaac on the phone in Washington, D.C. Isaac, how are
Here we
you?
are.
I'm doing great.
San Giorgio.
Oh
Oh yeah, nothing but the best. Break them in half, drop them right on in the water. That's what I do. I break them in half, drop them in the water.
My question is to you, as a woman that is going to respect this, do you think that there should be limits on being a woman's shit? Like, where girls should say, hey, you know, you're not.
I'm trying to make enough for everybody, so I have enough.
Is there a time frame where you think that
Yeah,
there should be regulations?
should be enough.
It doesn't matter.
And then I'll take both your questions. Is this the second one or the time to the first one?
The second one is, if that is the case, where if you do,
All right.
if there is a limit where you can do
Turn
that,
this down a little bit. Just let
it
it
should
simmer.
be, if you think that it should be.
Okay, I got the sauce simmering. Just let that simmer.
What did this be talking about? Opposing?
Thank you so much for those questions. I think
Just let that
makes
simmer.
mentions-
Another thing, folks, I want to let you know.
Okay, so that-
Stock up on your canned goods.
I have
See what I got? I got all kind of canned goods here.
But what I'm
Little
going to
spam,
do is I'm going to allow you
beans,
to share your because
tuna.
Isaac is
Oh, yeah.
he asked- Isaac
Got all
said,
kinds of tuna.
"Well, I think there should
I mean,
be
just stock up on your
limits
foods before
when
this winter because it's gonna get rough out here this winter.
terminate.
Stock up
Is it after
with everything.
6 weeks?
You know, I don't know if I'm gonna eat it or not, but I got everything. You
Is
understand?
that 6 months?
I got all types of canned goods.
Now,
Beef
I see
stew.
the very open person, 'cause I am someone
Yeah.
who's had- I know.
I got a little bit of everything around here, but I'm just saying, this winter, please stock up before winter gets here. Because I think we're gonna have a few toes downs and shut downs and whatever. You know, it's gonna be kind of rough this winter, from what I hear, but I'm not sure. I'm just giving the word to the wise. Okay, the sauce is simmering.
When should a woman
Yeah, it's simmering. It's looking good. Oh yeah,
terminate the pregnancy? When?
look at that sauce.
That's
Oh
a
yeah,
big
it's
question.
looking good.
And I will allow you to speak because answering that question determines where you stand. Right, where you stand. Are you someone that believes that a baby is a baby only once
Now,
conception?
garlic bread is the last
Do you
thing
believe it's a baby as soon as
that I'll put in.
conception?
You know, look at all those
Is it a
canned goods
baby?
back there.
Is it a fetus?
This is the last thing I put in is the garlic bread.
At that moment of conception, when does it become accommodate to you? I mean, really, these are big, huge questions that we're wrestling with. Huge questions about where you stand. And I would argue that religious beliefs how do you separate that? Where do you stand? I'm going to rest on this.
Yes.
I debate, but I believe it's right to choose. That's what I get concerned when I think about young girls.
Francisco.
Comes to rape and incest. I think those two situations are entirely different. Rape and incest are together. I mean, 12 years old, and an uncle, rape's involved in it, right? Rape and incest are tied
Yeah, the
together.
noodles are cooking.
I think that's
Make sure you put a little oil in your water to make sure that your noodles don't stick together.
Should not be tied up.
And maybe a tab of salt.
Very concerned with things saying
Just a
no
touch.
exceptions.
Alright, I'll let those go in simmer.
After weeks,
Okay.
because we understand that, as Lisa Jordan pointed out, young girls, their bodies are
Yeah, I'll let those
13,
go in
14,
simmer.
their bodies are all over the place. So you don't even know sometimes that think that your body
And this is my
shaped.
colander.
When
This
you
is what I'm
go
gonna
back
drain my noodles in right
to
here.
the notion of
Yeah.
gutting Roe v. Wade, and with that decision, SB 8. This refusal by the Supreme Court to block the implementation precisely because it's Justice Sotomayor.
Did you know, did you know? Did you know? Everything's looking pretty good. So what I'm gonna do now
They call it backdoor
is
fashion that some people believe is a blow to equality in America. The president of Florida State Senate just promised to introduce a copycat.
yeah, my noodles are getting good and soft.
Florida's looking at it.
You